This is the way
Okay.
to spend a lunch break. So bag the
See
bag
what happens.
and go to Charlie's for a lunch combo. A lot of choices at a little price.
We're cooking eggs. Let's see what happens. Hopefully we're cooking it right. I'm pretty sure this is how you gotta cook eggs, bub. It's hot though. You gotta stay back. Hard-boiled eggs. Oh man. There you go. Just let it be. We're doing it right. Watch. Okay? You just throw the eggs in. Well, you don't throw them because they'll break. We got 11 out of 12 eggs, dude. So we're doing good. And I think you cook them for like 12 minutes, 15 minutes, 15 minutes. Throw a little salt in there. Why? I don't know. But I saw my mom do it. Okay? So that's why you do it. Dude, you're drilling. Just like I don't know why you're drilling. And I'm not going to throw salt on you. Okay? And you see the eggs? They're cracking, dude. See how they're cracking? They're splitting?
Oh!
Yeah, I have no idea why they're splitting.
No!
No idea. Don't know. But I think they're supposed to.
No.
Yeah. Oh.
No!
Maybe no. You don't think they're supposed to? I think they're supposed to, man. I like hard-boiled eggs. They give you gas. They give you farts, bub. But it's alright. Mom should be getting off work. She should be coming home soon. It'll be alright. See, this one's cracked too. It's alright. It's just easier to peel that way, right? And you didn't set the timer, did you? Neither did I. That's what I say. Alright. Dude, I think it's close enough. What do you think? We should have our own cooking show. What do you think? Should we have our own cooking show? I think we should. Pappa Murph and Little Murph's cooking show. What do you think, dude? No? Don't think so? I think we'd be alright. I don't know. Only one of them's cracked, dude, so I think one of the eggs is bad, dude. Alright? Majority rules. So one egg was bad. The rest were good. 3:27. We started this venture around, what do you think? We've been doing this for what? 5 minutes? 10 minutes? That's what I say. Because we made Jello for you. And that only took like 5 minutes. Can we do our ABCs? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Yeah. Can you do it? You got a booger in your nose, dude. Can you pick it? Can you pick it, or you want me to? Stick your finger in there and get it. Dude, you need to learn how to pick your nose. Pick it right. I don't want you picking your nose wrong, dude. Every boy needs to know how to pick their nose. Come on. Daddy taught you. Come on, man. Lunch is done by the time Mama gets home. What are you doing? Ha ha ha. Oh no. Are you tickling your foot? It's got to be done. Uh-oh. We got 2 eggs that are cracked. Maybe that's a good sign. What do you think? 2 eggs cracked? That's a good sign?
No!
No! Ah! What do you think? 2 eggs cracked. Is that a good sign? What do you think out there in the audience? Ooh. High foot. High foot. Yay. Uh-oh, we got more than 2. Maybe I was just picking up the same egg. Okay. That was... Dude, I can't tell. It's bubbling. Oh, there's more than 2 cracked, dude. Yeah. Maybe there's more than 2. Maybe I need a bigger spoon. What do you think? Think we're done? Look at the braid. Well, if they're not done, we got at least a poached egg, right? Ouch. It's hot, man. What do you think, man? Wow. Yeah. Okay, ready? What's up? Wasabi. Ooh. Daddy needs to go back to work. That's what I think. Goofball. Well, Bub. That's how much I love you. That's so late, yawn. You tired? I don't know.
No.
Alright, dude, they're done. They gotta be done, man. They're all splitting. They're all splitting. Hey. What do you think? Huh? I think they're done. 7 minutes. Well, we've been cooking. How long have we been filming? We've been recording this for 7 minutes, dude. So it's 7 minutes. Easily. We said 15. We started this before we started recording. You still got a bug up your nose, dude. Pick on that side. Stick your finger up there and grab it. Stick your finger up your nose. Get it. Get that yucky up your nose. That's it. Stick it up there. Grab it. Can you get the yucky out of your nose? Get your yucky out of your nose. Stick it up inside there. Get it. There you go. Good job. And hand it to Daddy. Good job. Yeah. Shucky. You did good. And you always wash your hands after you get a yucky out. Always wash your hands after you get a yucky. Just like when you go pee. Remember how Daddy taught you? When you go pee, you gotta wash your hands. That's a good boy. Yeah, wow. That's right. I think the eggs are done. I love you. So that's how we cook eggs, everybody. You see that? Egg. Only a few cracks, but they're done. We miss everybody. Everybody say hi. Say, oh, Mom's home. Say hi, everybody.
What are you doing?
Say hi.
What are you doing?
We're filming. Alrighty, for YouTube. Say hi.
Hi.
Danielle's home. She just come from work. Tell everybody bye. Mommy's home.
Kisses. Hey, where's my kisses? Thank you. I love
We're
you.
cooking eggs for you, Mom.
Yay!
Yay. Alrighty, gang. Bye-bye. Can you tell everybody bye-bye?
Are you waving with your foot?
Ah.
Okay, don't.
See you later, gang. Bye.